Hi everyone, welcome to Badgujar Sir Math channel, and today we are going to discuss about shortcut tricks for implicit functions. Now what do you mean by implicit function? If or the general form of implicit function of two variables x and y is f of xy is equal to 0. Now I will show you what is or what are the implicit function. Suppose y is equal to f of x. Here y is purely function of x. Then such type of function are called as explicit function. If y cannot be expressed as function of x, means LHS and RHS containing x and y, both function, y cannot be expressed purely in terms of x, or x cannot be expressed in terms of y, means x we cannot write in terms of purely y. So LHS and RHS containing both xy here also xy, means we cannot separate them. Okay, sometime LHS is a function of x, RHS is 0, RHS may be 0 or may be constant number. Then such type of functions are called as implicit function. Then how to differentiate the implicit function? Now here I will show you shortcut tricks for finding the derivative of implicit function. Suppose the function is f of xy is equal to 0 or constant number. Here RHS always constant number or 0. If RHS side containing xy, the function in terms of xy, then you have to transfer on LHS side. RHS should be 0 or constant number. Then if f of xy is equal to 0 or constant number, then the derivative of this function, that is dy by dx equal to minus f dash of x, means derivative of f of x, keep y as a constant here, denominator, upon f dash of y, keep x as constant at denominator. It's very simple. That's really simple. Now I will show you, I will explain again. See, it is a u upon v form, it is numerator and denominator form. Here what is f dash of x, means numerator is nothing but f dash of x. Whatever may be the equation, you have to differentiate that equation with respect to x, and suppose y, consider y as a constant number, and you have to write at numerator. And what is about denominator? Denominator is nothing but you have to differentiate the given function or equation with respect to y, and suppose x as a constant number, right? So the final answer is dy by dx equal to minus f dash of x into bracket, or suppose y as a constant, divided by f dash of y, suppose x as a constant. Now for example, we have to take the example here. Find dy by dx if x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. Here LHS containing xy, we cannot separate them, we cannot write y is equal to purely function of x. It is an equation. So the shortcut trick is, the secret of this sum is, if dy by dx is equal to minus derivative of x cube, numerator you have to write at numerator, derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube is 0 plus 4 keep as it is. What is derivative of x cube? 3x square, y as keep as it is, divided by x cube derivative is 0 plus 3y cube y square plus 4 keep as it is, x cube also as it is, into derivative of y is 0. And the final answer is, see, I will show you again. See, we have derivative of k times u, k times u. What is u? U is a differential function of x and k is constant. Then this is nothing but k, we have to write outside, into derivative of function only, that is derivative of u. Similarly here, in case of derivative of 4x cube y with respect to x here at numerator. See, 4 is constant according this formula. 4 is constant, you have to write outside. Y is constant, you have to write outside. What is derivative of x cube by x raised to n formula? That is 3 into x square. 3 into x square. Okay, means 4 into 3 x square into y as it is. Similarly here at denominator, here derivative of x cube is 0 plus derivative of y cube is 3y square plus derivative of 4x cube y. 4 constant as it is, x cube here constant, derivative of y is 0. So the final answer is dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square plus 12x square y upon 3y square plus 4x cube. That's it. It's really very simple. Now next question number 2. X plus y is equal to sine of xy. Now here RHS containing xy term, so you have to transfer at LHS side, it become negative, that is x plus y minus xy sine of xy is equal to 0. Then dy by dx is derivative minus, first you have to write minus here, dy by dx is equal to minus, you have to write numerator is derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y is 0 minus, what is derivative of sine? Cos of xy into derivative of xy with respect to x is y here, plus derivative of x is 0 plus 1, derivative of sine is cos into x. Okay, now taking minus sign common here from numerator, it become minus into minus sign common from numerator, that is nothing but y into cos of xy minus 1 upon 1 minus x cos of xy. Minus minus become plus, then dy by dx equal to y cos of xy minus 1 upon 1 minus x into cos of xy. That's it. It's a very simple. Now next sum is question number 3. X into e raised to y plus y into e raised to x is equal to 1. Now the derivative of this sum is dy by dx is equal to minus numerator, that is x here constant, derivative of e raised x into derivative of e raised to, I will show you. See here, derivative of x, derivative of x here, derivative of x into e raised to x, e raised to y, it become, see e raised to y is constant, you have to write outside here, e raised to y outside. What is derivative of x? That is 1. Means here derivative of x into e raised to y is e raised to y into 1 plus y keep as it is. What is derivative of e raised to x? That is e raised to x at numerator upon what is denominator? It is nothing but derivative of y with respect to y, here x as a constant. Then the derivative of first term is x is constant, keep as it is, into derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y plus derivative of y into e raised to x with respect to y is e raised to y out, you have to write outside, into derivative of y is 1. And this is the final answer. Now next question is question number 4. E raised to xy, x plus y, e raised to x plus y is equal to cos of x minus y. So you have to transfer cos of x RHS function here at LHS side, it become minus is equal to 0. Then dy by dx is minus, see what is the first term? E raised to xy, you have to differentiate that with respect to x, that is e raised to x plus y as it is, minus what is derivative of cos? That is minus, that is minus minus become plus sine of x minus y, okay, upon derivative of e raised to x plus y with respect to y is as it is, with respect to y is as it is. What is derivative of cos? That is minus minus become plus into derivative of x minus y is 0 minus 1, okay, because of at denominator it is derivative of y, that is minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Then you have to simplify this, and this is the final answer, okay, after simplifying. Now next one is cos of xy is equal to x plus y. Again you have to transfer x and y on LHS side. It becomes cos of xy minus x minus y is equal to 0. Then dy by dx is, what is derivative of cos? That is minus. See, dy by dx is equal to minus, then at numerator minus sin of xy into y minus 1. What is derivative of minus x? That is minus 1 minus 0 upon minus sin of xy into x. Again derivative of xy is x minus 0. What is derivative of minus y? That is minus 1. Now you have to simplify here. See here, each term having negative sign, then taking minus sign common, minus minus become plus, that is dy by dx equal to minus 1 plus y sin of xy upon 1 plus x sin of xy. Now next sum is question number 5 is also similar type, that is x raised to 5 plus x y cube plus x square into y plus y raised to 4 is equal to 4. Then dy by dx is equal to minus, what is numerator? Derivative of x raised to 5, that is 5 into x raised to 4 plus y cube into derivative of x is 1 plus y as it is derivative of x square is 2x plus 0 upon derivative of x raised to 5 is 0 plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into x plus x square plus 4y cube. Derivative of y raised to 4 is 4y cube, and after simplifying you will get this final answer. Okay, it's a very simple form. Now next one is y cube. Find dy by dx if the function is y cube plus cos of xy is equal to x square minus sin of xy x plus y, that RHS term transfer on LHS, it become negative. Here x square is negative and minus minus sin of x plus y become positive. Then dy by dx equal to minus, what is numerator? Derivative of y cube is 0. See, minus numerator is 0 plus minus sin of derivative of cos is minus sin of xy into y, derivative of xy is y, minus 2x, derivative of x square is 2x plus cos of xy, that's it, x plus y, sorry, x plus y upon, what is derivative of y cube? 3y square minus sin of xy into x, that is x sin of xy minus 0, what is derivative of x square with respect to y? That is 0 plus cos of xy, x plus y. Now again you have to simplify this, you will get final answer, and this is the last answer. Okay, now next question is cos of xy is equal to sin of x plus y. Again you have to transfer at numerator, it become negative. Then dy by dx equal to minus, what is numerator? That is derivative of cos is minus sin of xy into y minus cos of xy, x plus y. What is derivative of sin of x plus y? That is cos of x plus y. Again upon derivative of cos is minus sin of xy into x and minus cos of x plus y, and taking minus sign common, minus minus become plus, and that is dy by dx is minus in bracket, that is the final answer. Okay, within 3 seconds you will get final answer, but here you have to remember the formula, that is standard formula, that is derivative of x raised to n, derivative of tan x, derivative of sin x, whatever may be. Now the question number 8, x square y square is equal to tan inverse root under root of x square plus y square plus cot inverse of under root of x square plus y square. Then find dy by dx. Here you know tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So the RHS will be pi by 2. So x square into y square is equal to pi by 2, and it is very simple, it is implicit form. So you have to differentiate this, that is dy by dx is equal to minus what is numerator? 2x y square upon 2yx square. Now 2 get cancel, x get cancel, and it is nothing but minus y upon x. That is the final answer. Dy by dx is minus y upon x. Now more questions are here. Now it is another type. Now question number 1, this is a different type. If x raised to 7 into y raised to 5 is equal to x plus y bracket raised to 12. You have to observe here the power of x and power of y, it is 7 and 5, and their addition is nothing but the power of x plus y, that is RHS. Okay, power of x plus y. Now you can differentiate this. Its final answer is y upon x. You can remember this. I will show you the rule. First, we have to simplify this. How to differentiate? By taking log on both sides. That is log of LHS equal to log of RHS. Then again you have to apply log of m into n formula. You will get log of x raised to 7 plus log of y raised to 5 is equal to RHS. Then log m raised to n formula. You will get 7 into log x plus 5 into log y is equal to 12 into that. Then this derivative is minus dy by dx equal to minus, what is numerator? 7 into, what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus 0. 5 log, it becomes 0, minus 12 into derivative of log of x plus 1 is nothing but 1 upon x plus 1 divided by the derivative of 7 log x is 0 plus 5 into 1 upon y minus 12 into 1 upon x plus y. Again you have to simplify this, that is nothing but 7 by x minus 12 upon x plus y and so on. You have to simplify this. After cancelling it become y upon x. Then what is the rule? Now the rule is, if x raised to p into y raised to q is equal to x plus y bracket raised to p plus q, here the power of RHS is nothing but sum of indices of LHS x and y. Okay, that is there are two variable only x and y. This structure is fixed. X raised to m into y raised to n is equal to x plus y bracket raised to m plus n. X cube into y raised to 4 is equal to x plus y bracket raised to 7. In this way, means you must remember this rule. Then dy by dx equal to y upon x. That's it. It's very simple form. You have to observe the power of variables. Okay, now the question are x cube into y raised to 8 is equal to x plus y bracket raised to 11. Then dy by dx is y upon x. Okay, dy by dx is y upon x. Now one more question, x raised to p into y raised to 4 is equal to x plus y bracket raised to p plus 4. Then dy by dx is y upon x. And here the last question is x raised to m into y raised to 1 is equal to x plus y bracket raised to m plus 1. Then dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Okay, it's really simple.